So welcome again to this video. So in this video, we are going to discuss one of the important questions which is asked during the interview. So it's a program with related to the validation part. Suppose that you have asked to write a program to validate the Gmail ID which is entered by the users. So how we are going to do the validations, how we are going to write a program to which will perform the validation for the Gmail ID. Suppose, for example, if you are going to enter dinesh@gmail.com, so in that case, it is a valid, right? And if you are going to enter any other than Gmail ID which is not a valid, in that case, that should be written a invalid, right? So how we are going to perform, how we are going to write this program. So in that case, we have to first of all import the irregular expressions, because the irregular expressions, there are a lot of methods are available. So with the help of that we can do the validation. So we have to import first of all the regular expression, that is nothing but the re, right? And in the regular expressions we are going to first of all take the input email id from the users. Okay, so I will ask the user to enter the email id, right? First of all, we will going to take the input from the user, enter the email ID. ID. This email ID is nothing but a Gmail ID, right? Gmail ID. So once user is going to enter that Gmail ID, we have received that email ID into the email variables. Now, this email variables, we have to validate whether the email ID is valid or not. In that case, we are going to write a validation part. So in the validation part, there is a regular expression full match options is there. So in the full match, we can perform, we can, uh, 1 second. Okay. So in the regular expressions, uh, re.full match is one of the method which is available to match